Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the subscribe button that you see that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns a lighter gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the growth of this channel simply by subscribing, making sure to ring that bell so you're in the know, and not forgetting to thumbs up. All right, guys. This is a video that we're trying to get ourselves a little bit more organized for the largest giveaway we have ever done on this channel. And we are so excited to be able to do this. And it's only because of my brother who I'm in business with, which is Improving Lifestyles, that he has enabled me to help out with the shipping costs for all of these boxes. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to try to give you the layout so we can start building our boxes of all the items that are in here. You need to subscribe on the video that is my giveaway video, where all the instructions on the giveaway are in there, and I will always have that linked in the description box. You'll be able to go to that video, watch it, you'll get to see me in person, and you'll got to hear a little bit about our 4 years here on YouTube as well. All right, so just so you know, this is in collaboration, I guess, with Improving Lifestyles. I'm going to put his card up here because this is a small business that we have that has some fantastic gifts that I think are fantastic for the holidays. So if you would like to support the channel, just simply go over to www.improvinglifestyles.com and you will be able to see what we're all about in reference to a lot of gifts for men as well as women that are really very affordable, put it that way, for the quality that you're getting. We've cut out all the middlemen, and it is something that we are doing, and it's something we're enjoying. So I hope you guys will take the time to at least visit the website and see what it's all about. So again, the website is improvinglifestyles.com, and I appreciate so much when you guys support not only the channel by watching, but also our small business. So I want to thank you guys for that. So let's get started, and I will, again, at the end of this video, pull up that card so you guys will be able to get that information if you didn't have the opportunity to jot it down just now. All right? I'm doing my best to do a panoramic view of this, but you can also, we took an overhead picture for our Instagram. My name there is True Wants with the number 2, and you'll be able to see the overview of it. This is everything up to now. We're still going to be building more into these boxes as we go on, because this giveaway is going to be open until the end of the year. And you'll see in the description box on the giveaway, the original giveaway video, you will see how we are doing this so uniquely that we're doing it by category. So the first category that we have set up is the one that we are calling mascaras. So bear with me, I'm going to do my best to get as much as I can on camera. So this here is a lot of the mascaras and the eyeliners that are going to be in that little box. That is filled to the rim, but this is unbelievable of how many brands you'll be able to try, from Tarte to so many brands. I'm not even going to go through them all. It is just crazy how much I've been able to build in this box. It is unbelievable. So I'm so excited to have the opportunity on a lot of products that are either duplicates for me or they're ones that I've already had the opportunity to try, because the whole point of this channel is to share with you about the brands, the products, and the deals. So once I've had the opportunity to try some of the products, then I put them in the giveaway, or if it is something that I know personally, other people will get more use out of than myself. So that is what we've decided to put into this giveaway. The next one is what we're calling the giftables. And on that one is we're going to have, I think we're going to end up with 2 boxes on this one. I should have brought my paperwork here so I would know how many boxes. But on this one here, I have this huge I think it's called a Caduble or something like that. This is a fantastic train case. When you open it up, I got this at Ulta. I removed all the excess packaging on it to be able to show and share. There's some makeup that's going to be inside that as well. I also have this luxurious locks gift, and then also something that I was able to get on one of the sales, this one that's called Coconuts About You. It is a full gift of makeup. So that is going to be in one of the giftables. And then in the other giftable box, I have also some of these purses that come like in like a group. So you'll be able to travel with items and then be able to match everything up. But on top of it, there are some items here that I have. And I'm going to try to scan up a little bit too. So we'll try my best with my camera skills to do all this. So we have here on this one, I don't know how high I can go up. We have here also one that has some hair care. We have the hair bean in here. We have a lot of fake nails in here, beauty blenders, all of that is going to be in the giftable box. Then right beside it, we have the body care box. And on this one here, I'm going to see if we can turn this here. We have here a lot of items that are like the deodorants, toothbrushes, items from refreshments, then also some body products, and then we have here also some bath products and things like that. So that is going to be in those boxes. So as I shared with you, as soon as one box fills up, in that same category, if you've chosen that category on the original giveaway video, then we open up another box and we just start filling it there. Then we have the next one here, which is hair care. And you're gonna see these boxes just get bigger and bigger and bigger. So on the hair care box, we have a lot of also these foil packs that are not just normal foil packs. They are ones, do you see how much, this was so much work to do this video. This one here, we have foil packs from Briagio, we have from Wen, we have from Day, we have from Orbe. We have fantastic ones that are huge. They're not like real foil packs that you only get like one use out of. They're ones that are like keratin treatments from Hask and Argan and all of that. Then we also have some other shampoos that are travel size as well as full size, masks, things like that. And then also when we scan up, there's also some larger shampoos and conditioners that are in here, as you can see from all these brands. And then on top there, we have one for curly hair, and then some one from this other brand that is called Nuima. So that is all of the hair care. Right beside it is also another big box, and that one is one that is skincare. And I really don't know how much this is all picking up, but you're able to see how many items are in here. So a lot of this for you guys is still going to be some mystery boxes, but I wanted you to see when I say I'm filling up boxes, I'm filling up boxes. So this one here, we have a lot of the travel sizes of skincare where I've either had the opportunity to try it or then bought larger sizes for myself personally. So when these smalls come in, I just keep putting them into an area where it's fantastic for me when I was traveling a lot more. This is what I used to take with me, but we really haven't been traveling at all. So that's when I said I have to start putting this into giveaways. Then we have some other full size from Glow Recipe, all ones of items we have even from Sunday Riley, the Luna Night, because I've already tried it and I have backup, but because I have this channel, it is really important for me to be able to try new products so that I'm able to share with you those deals that we're getting. So then also I have some products that I also have that I buy on other platforms, like a Dr. Denise, I have Skin Fix. Not all of this is from Ipsy or BoxyCharm. A lot of this is from other areas that I shop as well. I just don't share all of that on my channel. I know a lot of channels share everything that they purchase. I don't. I share what you guys are able to also get as well, because I wanted this channel to be able to share with you about the brands, the products, and the deals, but also when you would be able to get what I'm able to get at these amazing deals. Then we also have, if I scan up on this guy here, we have some other products that are in the skincare from Peter Thomas Roth, from Babor, also from Skin & Co. and others. So I'm hoping I'm getting all of that in so you guys can see. Then we have the biggest one, which is beside all that skincare. We also have, as I shared with you, all of the bags that I've been keeping for over the years. And as I shared with you in the past, what I used to do with all of these bags is I used to fill them up with goodies when we used to go over to people's houses and things like that. but there is so much. And I just said, I've started filling up boxes and boxes of bags. And then I simply said, I've got to share these with you guys, because then you'll be able to do what I've been doing. You can do it to shelters. You can do it to so many places where these bags will come in so handy. And we have a lot of bags in here where they're either from the glam bag. I'm going to do my best to do this. From the glam bag to also ones that have like that are fancy, and then we have ones that are a lot larger. Then we have the ones from the glam bag, and we also have a lot of the ones that are the pull string that used to be from the glam bag plus. So like I said, we have so much stuff here, and we're gonna spend this entire weekend putting it all together and setting it all up for the picture, but also to then start putting the things in the boxes. Because as I said, as the months go on, we are going to be hopefully closing this at the end of the year. And I still have all of this month's to go through, as well as next month's. And then hopefully I'll be a little bit caught up, so that if we do giveaways on this channel, which I know we will, but we're not a giveaway channel. So we're a channel that really focuses on the brands, the products, and the deals. But when I have, like I said, I don't think I'm going to wait this long, that we'll be able to then be able to share, you know, a 1-box giveaway or things like that, or a 2-box, 3-box giveaway. Nothing this crazy again, because this was a lot of work. And I think I let it go on a little bit too long. I think I wanted to be able to share with you guys a lot about the products, but I also I only have one face, and I can only try and review so much. So, you know, it's the old story, more wants than needs. So once again, this is, you know, the giveaway is in collaboration with True Wants, which is my YouTube channel, but it also is a big thank you to my brother, who is Improving Lifestyles. And this again, if you want to help the channel at all, I would appreciate so much if you went over to the website, take a look around. You will see how fantastic our prices are. If you're looking for a lot, it's hard to find for men some gifts, you will definitely find them on Improving Lifestyles. Majority of the products in there are leather goods, but it is so fantastically priced, you will not believe it. And thank you to so many of you. When I started my channel, you helped this website grow. And we also had our True Wants Needed bags at that time, where Improving Lifestyles helped us with that. When everybody was locked in, I decided to help out a little bit with doing those True Wants Needed bags for you guys. And that was a lot of fun also, but again, a lot of work. So just wanted to share all that with you guys. Again, improvinglifestyles.com is on there. If we have anything left over from the True Wants Needed bags, that will be also on the website as well, that you'll be able to check it out. But I definitely want to make sure that you guys go onto that website, and if you can, support a small business for the holidays. I think it is a great place to shop. All right, and that's it for this video, guys. So please share in the comments if you've entered the giveaway. Tell me what you think of what you saw. I am so excited to have the opportunity to share with you guys, and I love so much that you guys take the time in the comments to share with me as well. Once again, if you're interested in this giveaway, the video that you need to enter on and all the instructions I will leave in the description box, and I'll also try to pin it in the comments. And that's it for today's video, guys. So everyone, continue to stay safe and well. Once again, I thank you so much for being a part of True Wants, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye for now.